Hello, what is up guys? TechKJ here. Today I will teach you how to customize your desktop from this normal to this. All you need is a software called Rainmeter. It is just a small 2 MB software which will help you to customize your desktop. All you need to go is to a website called, you just have to Google Rainmeter. Then just click on first link, that is rainmeter.net. Then you have to download a software, that is Rainmeter 4.0 beta release. Just download it. It is just a 2 MB software which will help you to customize your desktop. As I have already downloaded it, I won't download it again. Now I will teach you how to install this software. Just double click on this software, then click on run, then choose your primary language, then click on OK, then click on next, then click on install, then click on yes, then finish it. When you will finish the software installation, it will automatically start and apply a default skin. Let's unload this skin. This is just a default skin which is not that good. Let's first unload it. Just right click on it and choose the last option. Click on the last option to unload it. I'm unloading all the widgets from it. Now we need a skin to apply from the Rainmeter software. That is this software which look like this. This is the default theme which is pre-installed. I need a new theme apply on my desktop. To get the new themes, you just have to visit rainmeter.net. Then you will find a button discover over here. Then click on DeviantArt. Here you will find everything which can be added to Rainmeter software. Like, let me click on gallery. In the first section, these are the featured themes or skins, I can say, which can be downloaded easily. And these are the whole set of skins which are available, and these are the screenshots added by the users, and these are the work in progress skins, and these are the plugins which can be added by the Rainmeter skin installer, and these are the other things available. First let me show you which all the skins are available. There are nearly 100 of skins available for the Rainmeter software. You can easily convert your desktop from normal to these easily. Just you have to download the skin. Now let me download the skin which I wanted you to. You just have to visit the skin first, then you just have to press the download button over here. As I have already downloaded this skin, so I won't download it again. It's just 10 MB skin. It will look like this. Let me show you. The skin will look like this. The skin name is Wisp. Then the skin will only allow you to add the widgets. The background wallpaper is available here. You just have to visit this link to get the background wallpaper. Don't worry, I will add every link in the description, every link that is of skin and the wallpaper and the Rainmeter software. To download this background wallpaper, just click on post option, then click on download. As I have already downloaded this image, I won't download it again. Then first of all, you have to install this skin by going in the directory where you have installed this software. As you can see, I have installed this software in local disk C in program files. I will enter into it. Then you can see a icon called skin installer. Just double tap on it. Then you have to find the skin. I have placed the skin on my desktop. Just double click on it. Then click on install. Now first unload this skin which was added default, which was added by software. Just right click on it and choose the last option, that is unload skin. Then click on continue. Then choose your desktop resolution. My desktop resolution is 1920 into 1080. Then click on continue. Then choose the color of the widget you need. Now I will choose the green color. Then click on continue. Widgets. Let's configure clock first. Now let's take the clock as 24 hours clock. Then go to menu back again. You can also configure your email password and ID. Then configure your storage. Then you can also add the city to the weather widget. You can get the code of your city just by clicking on the get your location code. Then you have to search your city name. Now my city is New York. I will click New York over here. Then this website will give me the codes of New York. I will copy it from here. I have copied it. Then I will paste the city code in the location code over here. I will paste it here and then click enter. Then I will go back to the menu and set up the taskbar this is alright. Let's go to back to the menu and click on continue, then press exit to Wisp. Now this look like this, but this is incomplete until we add a desktop wallpaper. Let's add the desktop wallpaper which we have already downloaded. Now after adding the desktop wallpaper, the theme skin will look like this. You just have to slightly configure the widgets. When you're done, your desktop will finally look like this. You can also try other skins from the website. I will add the link in the description where you can download all the themes available for the Rainmeter software. Now as you can see, I have downloaded this skin, added it to the desktop. Now this is just the list of the skins which have been installed on your PC. Now if you don't need a skin, I will also teach you how to add a taskbar to your desktop. Now in the gallery, just go to skins, and I found an awesome taskbar in the 11th page of the skin. Just scroll down and you will find a taskbar, that is the Juno taskbar. Just download this taskbar. Now when you're done downloading this taskbar, the taskbar will look like this. As I said, the name of the taskbar is Juno. Now to install this skin, that is the taskbar, just go to the directory where you have installed the Rainmeter. Then you will find a icon that is skin installer. Just double tap on it, then click on the Juno taskbar. I have double click on it, then click on install button. Now the taskbar will be installed. Let me first unload the previous skin. You can also unload the skin just by right clicking on the widgets and selecting the last option, or you can also unload the skin just by going into Rainmeter software, then selecting that skin. Then as I have already removed the clock, let's remove the CPU. Just double tap here, and if you again double click over here, then again the widget will be available. And now I will remove all the widgets from the desktop. Now after unloading all the widgets, you can add the new taskbar. Now I will show you how to add the new taskbar. It is simple. Just go to the taskbar, then click on Juno. When you double click on Juno, the taskbar will be activated. You can also configure the taskbar just clicking on the settings. You can also do some changes over here, just like dark icons, not dark icons, advanced weather, simple weather. Perform other settings also. You can also change the weather code and also add a Gmail password and ID, and you can also set a custom color to the taskbar and so on. You can later unload this settings skin. Then finally you're done with your taskbar, and you can also change the wallpaper according to the taskbar. Thank you for watching my video. If you need any other tips and tricks for the Rainmeter software, and if you have any queries over this software, you can just drop a comment below. And don't forget to see the description, as I have inserted each and every link in the description. To see this more to see more these kinds of videos, just subscribe me. Thank you for watching my video, and do subscribe me and do share my video with your friends. Thank you.